Hello and welcome to the Molly's Candy Crumbs YouTube channel. Today we'll be baking gingerbread. Look over these ingredients real quick and then we're going to get to making this. Using a paddle attachment, cream together your soft butter and sugar. Using a silicone spatula, scrape down the sides and the bottom of your bowl as needed. Add in the egg, vanilla extract, and molasses. Kick up the speed to combine homogeneously. Sift flour and dry seasonings into a separate bowl. Into your wet ingredients, add your ginger puree. Sift dry ingredients into wet ingredients and combine to form gingerbread dough. Turn your dough out onto a nonstick surface, lightly flouring it as you gently knead your gingerbread dough. Form your gingerbread dough into a flattened rectangle and divide it. Wrap your gingerbread in cling film and leave it to rest in the refrigerator anywhere from 2 hours to overnight. Once your gingerbread is rested and ready to roll, remove the gingerbread from its cling film, lightly flour the nonstick surface, and roll your gingerbread out to roughly an 1/8 inch thick. Using your choice of cutters, cut out your gingerbread house shapes. This gingerbread recipe is excellent for other shaped gingerbread cookies as well. If you desire a chewy cookie, roll your dough out to a 1/4 inch thick instead of an 1/8 inch thick. Place your gingerbread cutouts onto a lined baking tray. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Baking time varies depending on the thickness of your cookie. If you like the contents of this video, smash that thumbs up button. If you know someone who would like to try this recipe, give this video a share. And if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and be sure to click the little bell so you get a notification every time a new video is uploaded. Be sure to leave a comment down below. Thank you!